A stage in which individual components are integrated and ensured that they are error-free to meet customer requirements. A. Coding. B. Testing. C. Design. D. Implementation. The correct answer is testing. Is a step in which design is translated into machine-readable form. A. Design. B. Conversion. C. Debugging. D. Coding. The correct answer is coding. Methodology in which project management processes were step by step. A. Incremental. B. Waterfall. C. Spiral. D. Prototyping. The correct answer is waterfall. The customer requirements are broken down into logical modules for ease of A. Inheritance. B. Design. C. Editing. D. Implementation. The correct answer is implementation. A planned program of work that requires a definitive amount of time, effort, and planning to complete. A. Problem. B. Project. C. Process. D. Program. The correct answer is project. A step in waterfall model that involves a meeting with the customer to understand the requirements. A. Requirement gathering. B. SRS. C. Implementation. D. Customer review. The correct answer is requirement gathering. An individual who plans and directs the work. A. Stakeholder. B. Project manager. C. Team leader. D. Programmer. The correct answer is project manager. What do you call a technical person who is capable of understanding the basic requirements? A. Team leader. B. Analyst. C. Engineer. D. Stakeholder. The correct answer is analyst. Maintenance is the final phase in waterfall model. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. A model that is the demo implementation of the system. A. Waterfall. B. Prototype. C. Incremental. D. Agile. The correct answer is prototype.